from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a collaboration that is for 8 weeks that is called Summer Stash Dive Series. And each Thursday, it looks like each Thursday, yeah, I'm still getting this down, starting on the 1st of June, which is today, through July 20th, we are stash diving something over another, and there is prompts. Now, the prompts that I am going to be using today is using like an old sketch that I saved and never used. Now, that one is probably going to be my go-to for quite a bit because I do love sketches. As you guys all know, I do also make them, right? So the old sketch, I'm going to put up here that I have always wanted to do but never done, was by Serendipity Sketch, July 2016, and it's through scrapbook.com. And it's got a circle, a title, and some photos. So I am working on my daughter's soccer stuff from her fourth grade year. And so I went and found a soccer cut file that is just straight up a soccer, and I cut it out of black, and this is going to go on top of my mixed media. Now, my mixed media is this background that is from... this is from Close to My Heart. And I am going to use Distressed Crackle Paste. It's translucent, so it's going to look crackly and stuff. And then I've got these 4 colors. It is the Shimmers Paints Color Splash. Now, these are new to their shop, and if you use my name in the comments of your order, you get a freebie for me. But these are 3 of the 6 that I purchased or that I got sent to me to use. Rockin' Robin, Sea Breeze, and Pinking of You are the 4 colors because the kit that I am going to be using is from Close to My Heart, and it's their Valentine's Day from February. So it's kind of stash bashing this. I think I've only used this like 1 time. So this will be nice to use as well. So we're going to get this all prepped, ready to roll, sprayed down, yada yada, all that fun stuff. And then I am going to actually cut this. And my inner pieces of the soccer ball is going to be these pieces that I am placing in the spots. So why don't we get started and see how this goes. Translucent the crackle paste from Ranger and putting it all over as thick as I possibly can on this stencil. Now with the translucent, it is a thinner paste, but it can be put on thicker. But just know that when you put this on, you may not get the crackle effect that you would like. So just know that some of it may crackle like it should, and then others it'll just stay a foam. So I had to let that dry, and then I came in with my colors. Now you're going to see me just kind of play around with it. For whatever reason, this lid of mine for the pink just didn't want to do its thing. So I'm just kind of placing the blue in certain spots and the green and just letting it dry. And there is the lovely thing. So this part of the spot where I did not put it in camera, I'm going to tell you right now, it took me about 45 minutes to get everything to dry. You have to, before you can do anything with translucent paint, and then on top of it with the color splash, you've got to let it dry. And because of the amount of thickness that I made the stencil do for me, it needed to dry. So it took a hot minute. So then I'm coming in with Speckled Egg, and I wanted this lighter. It's one of the color tones that are in the collection, but it's like, I wanted it a lighter color just to kind of bring it off the page a little bit. Now, as you can tell up in the corner with the sketch, they put it in the center, and I wanted mine more off to the side just because that's what I wanted. And you're just seeing me kind of make this as dark as possible. Excuse me. I am super sorry. So I am going to distress the soccer ball portion of it. As I stated, I'm trying to get some of this stuff done that's just been sitting around, photos that I haven't touched. And what I want to do is that I am going to use True Love as my title, and then Soccer True Love as my title, because I feel like that is perfect for these three. Now, the three photos that I am using right here, they are of her on a different stance. One of her coaches liked her to be play defense or play offense and defense. So she is a keeper. She loves being a keeper. She loves doing it. But for this year, that coach wanted her to play both sides. So that because she did have a goalie that would help her out as well. So she played both sides, which is perfect for her because sometimes she does get where she just needs a break from it. But going into, after this season, going into the next 2 seasons that I've got photos of and this, that, and the other, they are keeping her at goalie because that's what she likes to play. So I'm now just going to do embellishments. So make sure that you go check out everybody that's linked down below. If you're coming from one of their channels, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do collaborations like this, design team layouts, all of the fun stuff. I am on my way to 4,000 subscribers, and I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button along with the notification bell so that each and every time that I upload, you get notified. And then make sure you go check out everybody that's down below. Now, this collection is from the Hip Kit, and I haven't used it. This is the first time of me pulling it out and using it. So I've got a plethora of stuff that I can use for now. And I am definitely knocking it out. I want to make sure to keep some of the, that lovely soccer portion of it, the whites that I made a different color, stand out. So I wanted to make sure the main focus is that I didn't want to take away from the colors of what I did to that soccer ball. So I had to make sure that I watched where I placed some stuff because obviously a soccer ball does have some black spots and then the white spots, which is where the blues and the pinks and that teal ocean breeze color comes from. So yeah, that is pretty much what I'm doing here. I'm just placing these hearts everywhere. I have found these balloons that I like. I think that it just matches a little bit over there. I know I covered some of it up. And then I did find this little thing to go across. And then I'm coming in with the 3 dots. And then that is it. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Check back next week. I'm going to try to hit all 8 weeks, to be honest. So just check back and see what we can do the next time. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.